Isn't that stunning? Imagine you had a package or a program called, I don't know, I mean, you can change the text on the screen, or this maths one. Imagine you had a maths related product where you taught others how to do maths, or learning how to paint, or barbecue for beginners, like whatever it is that you're working on, or this autumn leaves, right? These are just amazing designs, right? And I know they spent a lot of money on this. You can just tell, right? So if I was to click on, I don't know which one, best recipes, would you like, let's click on best recipes. So you click on the design that you like, and look at this, right? So you've got all these various different types of models and layouts. So the one with the crowns are the obviously the pro ones. That's why I recommend grabbing the whole bundle. But if I go back a bit, I'll show you one more design. I really like this one here, the Dream Away. It's just got a really cool effect. All that crypto one with the Bitcoin spinning around. YouTube. Let's go with the YouTube one because a lot of people are familiar with YouTube. So you've got the animation on the boxes, but I'll show you one more, and then I'm gonna go in the editor now. Actually, let me click on the Dream Away one. So let's say you want to create this this one here, box number 6. You would click on use, right, and it will load up the editor, right, and then it opens up the editor, and I can tell you the first thing that you notice is the editor and how unique it is. It's got a music player at the top, so it's got music built into it, and I love the neon and the colors and the pop. You can, in fact, you can change the color. First thing that I wanted to do was customize the look and feel of my UI. As funny as that sounds, but it was just kind of the kid in me, right, to customize my colors, just like you would do with your phone. You get to customize your background and the colors. So I really did like that because that was very creative and unique, right? And then it's got the music player at the top, so you can listen to some music, some tracks while you're designing. Now everything on here is drag and drop. You can move the objects around, you see, like this. You can see that move the elements around. You can move the woman around as well, that she's flying away. Hopefully she doesn't fly away out of the pictures too much. But then you can move things around. It's a drag and drop. You can add images to it, your own images. You can upload images. They've got plenty of images inbuilt in here as well. Clip art. And then once you are, oh, let me show you how to edit. So if I wanted to edit my name here, I'm just going to put John Smith, right? If I just put that and hit apply, it's all customizable. You can increase the font sizes. I'm sure you're familiar with these types of editors already. And then if you want to change the name of your ebook, so let's call it Blow Away. All right, let's click on Blow Away. There's lots of fonts in here as well. So everything you can expect, or you might have already experience with inside of like a similar type of editor, is there. All right, so you're familiar with these types of editors. It's just drag and drop. You just click with your mouse. It's very simple to use. Okay. So anyway, I can go ahead and click on images, and they've got lots and lots of images in there, like thousands of images, stock images. They've got a whole library. They've got emojis, and there's just so much fun. Look at that. That's absolutely, it's so good, you know, having this motion inside of a cover. But then once you're happy to generate, then you click on generate, and it will render it. Alright, so the cover's generated. Check this out. Look how good that looks. I'm really, really impressed with the quality and the designs of them. Alright, so I'm going to come out. Oh, you can add watermarks in there. You can share with clients straight from it in this box, and you can download this in high quality, and they give you like 3 different sizes. You can change the backgrounds as well. See that? It is really, really good. Like, they've got lots of options here for backgrounds, even the color ones. So you've got animated color ones that sort of vibe and bounce and pop and glow, and then you can also got a library of various other backgrounds in the software, which is really cool and nice, really high quality. Look at that, beautiful. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to come out of here, and you get a library, so all your designs are saved inside of your library. But let me show you some of the group shots just for another minute. So you got all access to all of these. Look, they're really good, high quality, different layouts. You got like a spiral bound one here. You got a CD one with a box. You got tablets with CDs. You got the book one there, iPhones, Kindles. So you've got different types of mock-ups here and layouts of the group shop bundles, CDs and business cards laying there. Then you also have mock-ups as well, like these. Look at these, really nice. And the thing with these ones are You may have seen them before, but they're animated. So I've never seen mock-ups that are animated before. I've never seen eCovers that are animated before. So the software is a real big hit with me. I actually love it. Look at the quality of the designs are vibrant. You can tell that they have been designed by professionals that are not cheap at all. Right? Look at the designs. Look at the fact that the colors pop, the vibrancy of them, and they've got designs across various definitions. Look at the styling of these. Look at the DIY makeup tricks, cupcakes, everlasting keys to our heart, and so on and so on. And all of these text obviously you can edit it to change it. You can delete elements, you can add elements, you can upload elements. So these are the static ones, the 2D normal traditional eCovers, but you know, the appeal obviously is the animated ones, which is why this is just such a new thing, and people are going to love this. I actually love it right myself. So I've got a massive secret discount, a big discount link that you can get right now if you use my link, which will be around here somewhere in the video, the description box, or on the page. So have a look around to get it, and you can get it through me, and I'll give you a massive discount because I've worked out a deal with them, and it'll give you a massive discount. Okay, now if you buy through me, I'll give you these free bonuses as well. I'll give you a pack of 5,000 animated characters and objects that you can use, because this will come great and handy. So you can add these to your eCovers to make these animated characters and objects as well. There's 5,000 of those in there. It's worth 2,500. And then I'll give you bonus number 2 as well, a background collection of 70 animated backgrounds. You saw the backgrounds earlier. These make all the difference to your eCovers. That's worth $197. And then I'll give you the 500 music tracks preloaded into the software, so you've got more beats and tracks and tunes to listen to while you design your eCovers. That's worth $247, but you get it for free. And then bonus number 5 here, or 4, is the masterclass. Okay, and this gives you some training. That's worth $147. All right. Bonus number 6 here, you also get instant approval and a fast track to the eCoverly affiliate program, which means you can start promoting eCoverly and make money. You can make 50% commissions on every time you refer someone. So if someone comes in that you referred and they buy, and let's say they spend $100 on eCoverly and some of the upgrades, you get half of that. So that's 50% commission. So that's great. This next last bonus here is a private VIP members community, so you can join their group. Normally that's $27 a month, but you get it for free. Okay, now the whole entire bundle package is worth $997, but you can get a big discount right now via my secret link. Okay, and I give eCoverly a 9.4 out of 10. Right, I rank it really highly because it's unique, it is high quality. The people behind it, they've created incredible products over the last 5-10 years or so, and I trust them to create and provide an incredible service and a product here for you and me to use. Right, I'm using it right now because I've got access to it. Now I've got some few FAQs here. What is eCoverly? eCoverly is the world's first animated eCover creator. It creates revolutionary new technology, and as well as these static 2D ones. No one's seen these before, right? So people are going to go crazy once they see them, and you can actually start designing these eCovers for other people. All right, so they will skyrocket your leads and your sales, and people are going to beg you to make them one as well when they see it. Now, does this include all the eCoverly upsells? Now, it depends if you're going to their main website. In that case, you're buying them separately through the funnel. You'll get the front end, right? You can buy that first, and then you'll be presented with some upsells, basically upgrades. For the first upgrade is eCoverly Professional. That includes more templates, models, features, images, design. You get a limited plan to create as many eCovers as you want, and you can make money selling them as well. All right, I highly recommend eCoverly Professional. That's a must get. Like, you've got no other decision. You have to get that one because it includes loads of more models and templates. So that's key. Then you got the group shots that creates animated group shots and the animated mockups. eCoverly Prime gives you 30 every month for a whole entire year. You got eCoverly Gigs Hero that finds you profitable gigs so you can make money with that. And then you got eCoverly Agency, which is that design agency in a box. You get the contracts in there, you get banners in there, all that legal stuff, all good stuff there to help you start your 6-figure a year business with that. Right now, are there any limits or restrictions? Now, they will be removed. If there are any limit, basically, if you get that pro version or the bundle, then there's no limit. So you can create as many eCovers as you want. You've got a limited storage, and you can sell to clients as well. Does it include commercial rights? Yes, it does. Just get the commercial one from their main website, but if you buy it through their webinar or a bundle, their bundle webinar offer, then that also includes commercial rights, so you can sell these design services at any price and tap into this new opportunity before everybody else. Are there any recurring charges? They offer most of that for a one-time fee. So if you went to their website, you can actually buy it just for a one-time fee. But the pro version is $97 at this particular point in time. There is a small charge annually just for that pro version. Okay, it's well worth the price though, and you get free updates, more models, templates. Now you can easily make that back, that $97 back easy with just designing one eCover for someone, right? In a year, you've got a whole year to make $97, you know. So do they include updates? Yes, they do. Is there money back guarantee? Yes, there is. You get 30 days to try it out. Otherwise, you can just go to them and say, hey, can you give my money back? And they'll do that promptly. But right now, you can go get everything's worth $997. But if you use my secret link, you will not have to pay anywhere near that price. So go ahead and grab the eCoverly products. I recommend grabbing all of them, especially the Pro, but grab the whole entire bundle, right, at a massive discount via my secret link around here somewhere. Right, so thank you for watching this review. I thoroughly enjoyed doing this review, and using the eCoverly software is a great product, and I've actually used it every single day since I got my own copy here, right? As well as access, because I got access to it early. So I highly recommend that you get that whole entire bundle suite. And yeah, I hope you found this review informative. Please like and subscribe as well. And I shall see you when I see you. I look forward to your comments too. So go ahead and grab the whole eCoverly product or the bundle right now.